So we're back at the oil spill house once again with the new, or sort of new, I guess at this point, gas furnace. We just fired that up. But last I was here, the kitchen was being remodeled, and that is now pretty much complete. So I'm going to show you that now. Okay. So new tile. I like that. Could have done a better job there. Outlet on GFCI, but that's okay because there's one there. Don't know what kind of stone that is. New stove. Frigidaire. Over the stove microwave. Oh, really? Really? That's disgusting. Does your food look... Can't they just use a warm white? Wouldn't the food look so much more appetizing that way? Is it just me? Oh, Jesus. Already. Okay. I'm sticklers about lines and shit like that. That's just... it doesn't work. I don't know what the hell the deal is with the caulk, but this is original sealing, so maybe that. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's original sealing, but if it's not a good job. The poor fridge. But the good news is, there's the old fridge, and that's moving downstairs, so at least there will be one working fridge in the house. Frigidaire gallery. It's clouded. Why would you want that? Oh God. A light. Wow. Oh, the Sharky LEDs in the fridge. The ice maker. See this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 6 or 7, something like that. You need that because these are LEDs and they suck. Used to be an incandescent bulb, and that would light your fridge. Nobody ever complained. I can't see in the back corner over there. No. No, this will not do. This will not do. Some of these fridges you have to close one door first before the other one. Keep anything in the freezer. That's going to break. So that opens. So if you open that, oh, you can just close it. So at least that's smart. Cabinets are decent. I'm not going to snoop through them, but that's all fine and good. There's no table here yet or something. Floor is pretty nice. Maybe that's part of the tile. I don't know. This was sort of repainted and done. Reflection from the door. Oh, fancy escutcheon. Okay. Same light fixture that was there.
He put everything right back. But what he did was he just...
It's all good.
So then he got a saw, he cut it, then he cut it this way and he snapped it off.
Oh, okay.
And then he redid it with the two things.
Right.
Put it on.
And he said it didn't have to go that high.
No, because he said, you know, I don't need a new piece because it had to come down.
He used the old piece.
Yeah, and then he redid this as well, even though this was fine. So he redid this. He put new, whatever, lube on here before he threaded it on here.
Right.
He did the whole thing.
It gets worse. What the fuck is that? Come on. That's such an excuse for a light. Forget the fact it's even LED. Brighter. And it's off or on. That's it. It says off or on. That's it. Dishwasher. Frigidaire. Terrible. Your buttons here. Your stainless steel on the inside. 3 hours, 4 hours, who knows. Sink. Obviously this pulls out. Thing. It's weighted nicely. Soap dispenser. What is this? No. 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 I'll have to show that to Joe. No, that's not going to work. What else? TV, still here. The camera. Say hi to the camera, because we got your Italians watching. How you fucking doing? That's it. You're still going to get a table. Then you get the $500 Breville toaster. It's a toaster. It's a toaster. Sorry about the noise, but you know. Oh, a delay. There's a delay. Wonderful. There's the LED. I think the other switch does the light. That's not here yet. This is what it's going to be. Because it's here, it's not put up because there's no table, and you don't put the light up before the table because then you don't know the height. Other than that, I don't know what switch does what. I guess this would be these. Yep, and there's a delay. Delay on first turn on. After that, it's pretty much good. But I can't, just come on. What is this? What is this? Jesus Christ. How about the oven light? Let's see. Oh, pardon. It's incandescent. Who would have ever fucking guessed? Wow. And I'm surprised there's no light in the dishwasher. Some of them have lights in there. So, I don't know. So the microwave is cooking something now. Sounds kind of like a microwave. Barely can see what's going on in there. Just barely. Barely. It's ridiculous. This thing is a fucking joke. There's no under cabinet lighting or anything. So it's otherwise kind of just a sort of plain Jane install. The door, I don't know if maybe we could see on the outside of it with the light. Look at that. This door was brought to an auto body shop and sprayed from them. I don't know why, whatever, but they'll do it, and they did. I guess there's dirt or something there. I don't know. But it's certainly a nice paint job. I'll say that. So other than that, that's the kitchen for now. I don't think I'll ever get a video of anything completed beyond this anytime. But certainly looks a lot different. We got to check the bathroom out because that was redone also. Oh my, this is different. 5-hole tiles. We're turning the heat on, so that's why that's open. There's a little thing there so you could sit. Grab bars, a little thing for your love oils and thing, and enough room for several consenting adults for some water sports.
Wow, Norm, you've really made some improvements with this bathroom.
That's right, Bob. I wanted to maintain the integrity of the room. That's why I'll be installing a pedestal bath, which still leaves plenty of space for 4 to 6 consenting adults in your shower area.
For some healthy water sports or a shower orgy.
That's right, Bob. I've installed a recessed condom organizer in the shower area, and I'll be putting in a cantilevered shelf here for your various love oils, which I think is a nice detail.
It's a Toto. It's a Toto. That's right, the Japanese turlet. A Toto. We gotta see. Oh, it just dutied right out. That's great. And I guess that's the slow close. This way it lets all the waft out after you take a dump. Sink. Nothing. Electric soap dispenser just on the counter. Counter's nice and high. The kitchen doesn't have this many switches. Okay. Oh. Okay. Eco Smart. I can't read the rest. It's too bright. Maybe the camera can?
Hi.
I cannot read it in the camera. So whatever it is, it is. Looks incandescent-ish. So like I was showing you, that, and then the fan is on, and your light there with the delay, because it's LED. Wonderful. Well, the bathroom kind of came out nice. I heard there was some trouble with the drain, where they had to, like, bust up the floor and redo it again, or something. Yeah, fun stuff. And of course the window in the shower is interesting. Whatever. Nobody can do any kind of quality work anymore. I heard a drill.
No.
There it is.
There it is.
What we're doing here is you're going to run a new line from that outlet all the way down to somewhere in this neck of the woods. Maybe here, I'm not sure. And the old fridge is going to go here. And that's what we're doing now. Yeah, no drill. Good for him.
Oh, it's right there. Right there. Can you see it?
Where?
Right underneath the water. Spicy tuna hand roll.
So the heat's been chooching fine. We just have the main zone on. That's nice and hot. That's hot. This is definitely off, so that's that. Speed Queen is doing fine, no complaints whatsoever. This is mine that I brought for the hose to drain it and to bleed the radiators. Okay, here's the outlet. It's in. Looks a little whatever. It's here like that. Runs all the way down. And now he's hooking it up. They're saying you got to use strippers. You can't use your cutters for that.
Yeah, all right.
Right. Good for them.
Yeah, let me know if they charge by the hour.
Right. But I love the wood. The wood just shot in there with the drill. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, stripped out.
No!
Stripped out. Now, why didn't you put the box up in there like I told you?
No, I don't want it there because it's going to be used for the dehumidifier. It's going to be...
Okay, well, that one's fair. I'll give you that. I'll give him that. All right, so hook it up, hook it up, hook it up. Is it live? Touch it. Touch it in the back. Outlet. Done. Plate.
Done. Plate. Drill! You gotta know when to stop the torque settings.
He's not dead yet.
Yeah.
He ain't dead yet.
He said touch it in the back.
Touch it in the back. The guy said touch it in the back.
He said the blue one.
Oh, I'm going to be editing for hours.
Hours. Why? Because now you gotta install it.
Right.
Right. I mean, edit it. Right.
Good for him. Great, fine, good. Read a book, go to hell.
See, he does that wherever he goes. So he just leaves the garbage on the floor. Now you got to go back and write original footage, 2015. It's hot. No, it's hot.
Yeah, the soup is hot. I know it's hot. My bowl's all burnt off. I ought to know it's hot.
People saying, where's your crimps?
Right here.
Right.
Job gets done. Crimps.
Italian.
Fires don't start because you used the wrong tool. Fires start because you didn't use the right tool in your head.
I'd like to just add for my very close followers a couple other Italian anecdotes, such as, you overcook it, it's no good. It defeats its own purpose. And go home, take a hot shower, because that's what it's there for. What does any of that actually mean?
See, now the secondaries are in the back. I'm not going to show you that. What?
On account of them not going to.
The back is secondary. So when you get on it, after a certain amount of RPMs, or if you beat the shit out of the car, then it engages. I won't be able to mimic engaging it here in a sense because I am not going to.
Good fan. Okay, we're ready to go. We got the fridge down here. Trying to put the broken pieces back together. So the fridge has been cleaned down. And things are going together. The Speed Queen is running, so you know everything is working well. And we installed a new Chinese doorbell with electronica in it. And we found the original one was wired wrong, so this wouldn't work. But I got it figured out, and we mounted it up, and it does Beethoven now for the front, and it's atrocious. And other than that, the other doorbell that we got didn't work for whatever reason. So that's going back to the store, probably just like that. They won't know the difference. Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Gonna hear that all the way home. Sounds about right.
Right, on the bridge, everybody!
Alright, that's gonna do it. Still a work in progress, but coming and going, and it's just terrible. Just stupid terrible with LEDs.
Run it out. Rub it out.
Right. Okay, Heath Zenith on the brush.
Right, everybody.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe
And we'll see you
in the next video.
ciao for now.
Bye-bye, everybody, and chin-chin.
Chin-chin,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you. A glass of the wine.
Right, Kesich.
Right.
I want to say, salute chin-chin and everybody, because this is a beautiful dish. Salute, chin-chin. Okay.
Arrivederci. Fuck you.
Fuck you. What's the other one? Oh, yeah. Take it easy.
Into the pots.
In the pans.
Right,
Pots and pans.
All right, got the stove.
All right, let's throw everything away.
Okay, bye.